Hello everyone, this is Dr. Rutuja Lokhande and I work as a consultant dermatologist in Dr. Lokhande's Skin and Orthopedic Specialty Clinic. Now today I am here to share with you all an interesting case of giant blackheads which are present in the external auditory canal, also known as external ear canal of a patient. Now let us first see why are these blackheads formed. Now each one of us has lot of hair follicles in their skin, and attached to these hair follicles are the sebaceous glands. What are these sebaceous glands? These are the oil forming unit of the body. They produce natural oil for the skin, which keeps your skin soft and supple. Now when these sebaceous glands become hyperactive, they produce lot of oil. This oil mixes with the dead skin cells and form a keratin plug. This keratin plug goes and gets settled on the opening of the hair follicle and clogs it. This stage is called as microcomedon. When this process continues for over a period of a time, then these microcomedons grow in size and they become clinically evident. Now, these clinically evident comedons can be of two types, either the open comedon, which is called as the blackhead, or a closed comedon, which is called as a whitehead. Now, if these are not removed at correct time, they may get secondarily infected with a bacteria called as P. acne and can give you red bumps, which is also called as inflammatory acne. Sometimes this process continues if not treated at a proper time and can give you even cystic acne. Now, what is the common site of these blackheads? Now, the common sites are, first is the face. In some cases, blackheads can also be found at the upper back, lower back, chest, arms. In severe cases, they may also be found on the buttocks. But few individuals may face the formation of these blackheads in the external auditory canal as well.
So let's see what can be done. With the help of an instrument known as Comedon Expressor, we can express all the contents out of it by applying a gentle and firm pressure at the mouth of the open comedons. So look here, all the keratinaceous material has come out. There are total 3 in number. We have already expressed the content out of one, and now we are trying to express the content out of the second comedon. Now I would suggest that please do not try this at home, because though it looks simple, if at all you put a lot of pressure, it can damage the surrounding structure, and if accidentally this Comedon Expressor gets slipped into your ear canal, that can cause the serious problems to the internal ear. Now we have to just keep on giving gentle pressure over all the openings of the comedon.
So you just saw that these comedons can be expressed with the help of a Comedon Expressor. Now, how to avoid formation of these blackheads? You should not forget to clean your external ear canal when you take a bath and wipe it off thoroughly after taking the bath. Second thing is, do not forget to clean the earplugs which you use to hear the audios. So at the end of this video, I hope all of you have understood that how are these blackheads formed, how do we prevent them, and if at all you have already developed, then please visit to your nearest dermatologist to get them removed. So thank you so much. Take care. Stay healthy. Stay safe.